I think just validation to the team, like of all the efforts that they've put in, is being rewarded. Like I get to be the person that accepts the award, but they're the ones day in and day out just working and being innovative, and it's a fun place to work. Like I look forward to going to work, and I've been told a lot of employees do. So that's just it's a great team. Currently, we're having 40 to 50% growth in revenue. So we're doing that by using AI. We have our own education pipeline. And we're just trying to better support the Department of Defense as well as commercial aerospace. Well, I will say I'm fairly new to it, so I've been in this role for 6. Prior to this, I was at narcotics detectives. But I think the state, maybe not specifically tech, but is very business friendly. Like Conexus has been very valuable to us with helping in funding and resources. And I'm more in manufacturing, and we are using tech. But if they're applying those same principles to tech as they are manufacturing, I'm worried for the other states. Continue to grow and expand and retain all the, keep having the same retention and just create a culture that people want to work at. And we have, the next generation, so people are bringing in their kids that are now in high school working. And that's the biggest compliment to me, is if you're bringing your kid into your workforce, it's probably not a place you hate. So